Hi everybody, I'm Jennifer Tryon, and today I'm going to show you how to make the cutest leather-bound notebook. Perfect for stamping. You're going to need some leather, your favorite 3D embossing folder, a Gemini die cutting machine, a hole punch and a pokey tool, and a little bit of thin elastic. You're also going to use some Spectrum Noir Ultra Smooth cardstock cut and bound. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so I started by trimming my leather down to 9 by 6 inches, and then I'm going to fold it in half. So I'm opening up my embossing folder, and I'm laying down the folded piece, closing it up. This way, both sides are going to get embossed and debossed at the same time. When you're running something very thick through the Gemini machine, it helps to put it on a slight angle. That way, the girth of what you're putting in there kind of doesn't hit the rollers all at once. And then put it through the Gemini. I'm using the Gemini Junior. And now, in under 10 seconds, you've got something that's totally embossed. In real life, it's even more impressive, but you can really see that embossing when the light catches it. Opening back up the book, now we've got this spine, and I'm going to use a hole punch, but you can also use your pokey tool. And right in the center, I'm just poking a little hole on either end, and then I'm taking my pokey tool and really pushing through. If you don't have a little small hole punch, you can just use the pokey tool. This is the hole that the elastic is going to go through. So next we've got our Spectrum Noir Ultra Smooth cardstock, and this is trimmed to 5.5 by 8.5. We're going to score it at 4 1/4. So on that score line, I'm going to just do a row of stitching. And I'm just doing a regular straight stitch and turning it up to about a size 3 length. And now your pages will stay extra secure. You're not just relying on the elastic. I'm taking a piece of about 9 or 10 inch elastic, and I'm just threading it through those holes. Once you've got it through, flip it and tie it. And now you've got a great little handmade embossed leather-bound book. Use it for your stamping, use it for journaling, use it for a passport holder. There's tons of great uses for something like this. And because you're using real leather, you know your pages are protected.